Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today on this new video that I'll be sharing with you. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. As you can see, this is our YouTube channel, Audience Connector. It's where we connect with audiences. We share information about making money online. We share information about how you can market your business. We share information on how you can get sales if you are an affiliate marketer. We share information on how you can get leads. We share a lot of information that you can get, and we give it out for free because we believe in helping each other. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, because as you can see here, we try to release a video at least once a week, sometimes once in 2 weeks, but then we try to be as consistent as possible. And like I said guys, every video here that I'm gonna be sharing is based on information that I've tried out. That's why I'm not releasing every day, because everything that I put out here is based on something that I've tried out. I'll never make a video about something that I've heard, that I've seen, without trying it out, because there are a lot of scams out there. So I try to be as real as possible with you. If you see a video here recommending something, it's because that same thing I'm using it, or I've used it and I've seen value in it. So check out my channel, and I hope you'll find value in it. Without wasting time, let us get to the video of the day. Today we're gonna be looking at a website called SEO Clicks, where you can if you are a freelancer, you can sign up and start showcasing your skills. If you are looking to buy a service here, you can also sign up as a buyer, and you can get like free services, like you can get 100,000 website visitors with $1. That's how affordable things they are here on SEO Clicks. And of course there are those that they sell boss traffic, but then you can always, there are a lot of them, so message them first, check out how legit that traffic is. The good thing about it is that there are a lot of people using the site every day. The site get a lot of visitors, so if you are a seller, you're gonna get your service, your service is gonna get, people are gonna be buying your services, as soon as possible. Unlike Fiverr, it takes time, for you to start ranking, because thousands of people, thousands of people, they are already there. So with SEO Clicks, is a platform that not a lot, but then a lot of visitors they are doing them. And another thing about SEO Clicks is that it is affordable. So let us log into my account, and I'm gonna show you how much I made on this platform within a week. I'm not active on this site, but then after I've logged in on this site. So I used to buy services on SEO Clicks. I used to buy services because they are super affordable. So after I bought some services, as you can see here, these are my services. If you are looking for website traffic, you can also come and buy on my account here. But as you can see, I'm not that active. I think the last time I logged in on this platform, it was like a month ago. I'm not that active, but then I want to show you that within few days of listing my services, I got people buying my services. So as you can see here, once you have an account, you're gonna state where you're from. As you can see here, mine is I'm from South Africa. I'm still on level 1 because I'm not that active, and I joined on April 2020. So this is recent, and let me just refresh my screen to show you that this is real and this is recent. So when people come onto your account, they can order by clicking here on order now, and once they order, okay, they say you can order from yourself. All right, cool. So let me show you how much I made here. Let us go to my services first. So this is a nice dashboard guys, because you can see how many people are viewing the services. And okay, so this is how much I made. This is how much I made, and it didn't take me months to make this. So this is how much I made by selling. Okay, so you can see here the profit that I made. So I made that by selling 10,000 US website traffic visits. And because client loved my first order, so they bought again. So this was the my first line, and because they liked the traffic that I was delivering, they bought again. As you can see here, the services has been, I suspended them because I've stopped providing services for them, but then I still have further services that anyone can come and buy them here. So as you can see here, you can see total views, people who are viewing your orders, and how many orders I've got so far. When we go to my sales, let's go to revenue, and I'll show you how long did it take me to make this $26. All right, let's see if it can show me. All right, looks like it is out of date, so it's been a while. But then, guys, as you can see, once you make the money, the minimum payout is $15. So here, as you can see, when people order from you, you see already I've drawn $15. So whenever people order from you and they pay in, you're gonna see amount here under sales. So a good thing about this platform is that you can also get people signing under you, and whenever people sign under you, you will get them, you'll find them here. Under here you get your affiliate link here. So it's a nice platform if you are looking to offer your services worldwide and do not limit yourself. I recommend that you join in on this service and start making those dollars, start making those money, because people are out there looking for services. If you go here on home, let me just show you. You see people are selling their services here. If you go, so whenever you list your order there, you also gonna be shown here. As you can see, some of those people, they are featured. It means they pay to be here, but then that does not mean people won't find you. They will still find you one way or another. It is better than doing nothing. So I recommend that you sign up on this platform and start listing your services as a freelancer. And that's it, guys. Yes, that's it. I hope you find success on this platform. Hope to see you on the next video. Ciao.